sake.
Himmana mañana. Lion King.
What is it just like
Wait for it. Yep.
Is this like a Disney-based firework display or something?
Probably.
Indiana Jones isn't Disney.
Isn't it?
No.
Star Wars is though.
Yeah, because it's bought by it. Well, they bought it.
Shut up, Daniel!
In the arms of an angel.
The circle of life! This is going to be so loud when we watch it.
Yep.
Ow. Ow.
What was that, Daniel? The circle of life.
Who the fuck is Lon? I've got access to someone's iPhone.
I wouldn't be surprised if they actually do like Lord of the Rings.
Is it over? Is it over?
Is it up?
Run
No,
out of
it
time,
sparkles.
Did they run out of fireworks already?
I think this is Lord of the Rings.
The sparkles.
You did it. You got it right, Daniel. Sizzle!
Oh, it's not over. Now it's over. Now it's most likely over.
No, the fireworks are still sizzling over there.
Is it next gonna be Harry Potter? Please don't be.
Exactly. I like how both of you are twice the size as me. And I'm in college now. And I still failed my exams.
Recording another video.
A video on a video.
And me, I have to stop recording in a minute.
You know, these fireworks are pretty loud. They're so loud, aren't they?
Oh my god, they're so loud!
They're definite.
It's so loud.
It needs to be quieter. Sounds like someone's having a fart.
No, it's like they're shooting up pellets.
Yeah.
Out the air.
What's this one now?
I don't know what film this is. This is like guess the.
Oh, fuck me.
Well, thanks.
I've already got someone to do that, it's fine.
Why did you say everything?
No!
What?
You said it was Harry Potter and now it is.
Oh my god.
What film do you want it to be next? Tell us. Tell us what film.
Titanfall.
Titanfall.
Titanfall's not a film.
What is it? It has a theme song, I think.
You know what I'm gonna guess?
What?
It's gonna be
Great song. I love the song.
do you know what it might be next?
What?
Now here is the story all about how my life got flipped and upside down.
Let it take a minute to sit right there.
I'll laugh at Ashley more.
Nope.
What the fuck is this?
Well, please don't tell me it's Titanfall.
Please be Titanfall.
It might be.
No, it's the Dark
Marvel.
Batman, it's the Dark Knight.
Oh.
It's the Dark Knight theme.
I'm so glad I didn't say Dark Knight then.
Yeah. Great song because it's dark.
Please don't be the Avengers next.
Please don't be, actually.
My phone's gonna hate editing this.
I'm looking there. Explosion!
Jesus fuck!
Is that it? I don't think your mum's coming.
What?
I don't think your mum's coming.
Obviously, she'll put me up later.
Why the hell are we here then?
So you can get a good view of the fireworks.
You the one that walked here?
Yeah, exactly.
It's bloody moving!
It's what?
It's what?
That's Marvel.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
What, the theme or?
One
No,
of the
it's not.
themes.
That's not Marvel.
Yeah, that's Marvel.
No, it's not.
It's one of the
No,
music.
it's not. It's da 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 da.
It's not Marvel. What song is it? Crap.
The Amazing Spider-Man.
No!
No, it's not.
Phone died.
You have my mum's number, don't you?
What movie is it? Shit.
Kind of
What's
like...
next? Jurassic World?
Da 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 da.
Just have the voice cracked halfway through, is it?
Suddenly my phone goes, you know what, F you, I'm going to vomit.
Oh, mine did that.
That seems crazy, what I don't have to say.
Oh, you
That's easy. Take away.
My phone's gonna have about 10 minutes of this. My phone.
Do you remember how long it lasted last year? About 5 minutes. It's lasting longer.
Screw it.
My video is going to be very short because my phone died.
Oh, that mine. Mine died halfway through it.
Mine ain't. Mine's still at 50.
Mine's still at 40. It keeps skipping to 1%.
Can you send it me?
No.
Why?
I've already got Senate calling.
Yeah, but send it to me.